Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am overjoyed to bring you this update that Tashira Boughton is safe. I have been working behind the scenes with her mum Yolanda at trying to get Tashira in her care safely, away from social media attention. Let's have a little listen at what Yolanda said earlier in a live about this.
First and foremost, I would really want to send out such an amazing thank yous for everyone who reached out to me, who followed me, who worked with me to find Tashira. Can you see me now? To find my daughter. I got her. Without the help of law enforcement, I'm bringing her home. And we had talked, and for family and friends, we're limiting visits until we can, when she's ready to really talk, then we will share. But in the meantime, here she is. I'm bringing her home, you guys.
The hard way. I'm gonna put a half
healthy.
pressing on your ball face.
She's not on drugs. She's not on street drugs. So we got a long ways to go. And these last couple of days, we just been going through our healing process, enjoying her, loving on her. She's happy to be home. She's not going nowhere no more. The only reason why I'm doing an update is because she wanted to do an update. So we did one on her sister page, just having fun, just enjoying a mother-daughter bonding moment.
Tashira and Yolanda are asking for a little time to gather themselves before they do a video together and discuss what happened. Right now, I can't confirm or deny that the person in the Ring doorbell footage is Tashira. And for that reason, I do believe people should still be looking at the footage and sharing it. What I can say is that once Tashira is ready, I will ask her if she's willing to share her story for us. Tashira needs to heal and spend some time recovering. I think Yolanda probably does as well. They still need to travel back home and have Tashira see a doctor, so this really isn't over. Finding someone doesn't close the book on the story, it just begins a new chapter of the aftermath. But for now, I'm just so happy that Tashira is with her mum. I'm honoured that I was able to help, and it has reaffirmed my passion to helping those who are missing. For more information and regular updates, please see the Facebook page Finding Tashira Boughton and the Facebook group All Things True Crime. Until next time. Bye for now.